Want to maximize the value of every customer who buys from you? In this video, I'll show you how to create a one-click upsell in System I/O using a simple step-by-step process. Step 1. Log into System I/O and open the sales funnel where customers complete their purchase. Your upsell should appear after the initial checkout, so make sure the funnel includes a payment step. Step 2. Add a new funnel step and choose an upsell page template. Pick a clean design that focuses on a single offer and click Edit Page. Step 3. Update the headline with a compelling message, such as Special One-Time Offer or Upgrade Your Purchase Today. Briefly explain the benefit of the additional product or service and why customers should take advantage of it now. Step 4. Add a prominent button that accepts the offer and ensure it's connected to the correct upsell product. Also include a clear option for customers who prefer to skip the offer. Step 5. Save your changes and test the complete buying journey to verify that the upsell page displays correctly after checkout. If you're ready to try these features yourself, you'll find a helpful link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.